Hi, my name is Patrick. This video is to tell you what should be your preparation plan in the last week to that. Now, what is important? And one is creating a good strategy. That's the most important part. Unlike CAT has 1 hour for each section. So there's not much of a strategy that you can do. I mean, there is in section wise, but in that the strategy becomes more complex. You don't only have to decide on the time that you need to allocate to each section, but you also have to decide the sequence and how would you go. I mean, would you go to all the sequence first and then come back to second round, or would you try to optimize each section first and then try to look at it? So that experimentation with strategy becomes very important. So understand that creating a good strategy is extremely important in terms of cracking the exam. Secondly, understand DM. DM is a new section. I mean, it's not there in the other exam. So, and a lot of people, I've seen a lot of people not doing well in DM section in the exam and though doing well in the other section and therefore not doing well in the overall exam. It's very important that you're comfortable with DM in that point of view. I mean, you may be good with thinking process, but try to look at DM in the that point of view and so. And then practicing questions. I mean, the critical reasoning, Quant questions, AI questions. Just pick up questions and practice on a regular basis so that you're in touch with whatever is happening as such. So based on this, I would say plan during the week would be, I would say 2 to 3 mocks. I mean, if your strategy is in place already, then 2 mocks is sufficient. But if you feel your strategy is not in place and you need to still work on a strategy, then write 3 mocks in your last week. Also, the rest of the days you can focus on practice. Assuming 6 days, the rest of the days you can focus on practicing questions as far as possible. So when you're writing mocks, I mean, your 3 hours will go on a mock because 3 hours it takes to write a mock. 3 to 4 hours of analysis. I mean, you need to go to each section, each question, try to understand specifically more time maybe on DM to understand the thought process. Quant. I mean, you need to try to analyze more detail. So 3 to 4 hours will go in just trying to analyze. And this will also look at the strategy. Whatever strategy you use, has it worked? Has it not worked? How does it go? I would recommend 1 hour of reading. Reading becomes extremely important in almost all the aptitude exam because reading helps you to understand what is written in English, be it max, be it DM, be it verbal. So reading becomes important. During your non-mock days, I would say focus on DM. 2 hours of DM, preferably focus on that. 2 hours of reading. I mean, because 2/3 of the paper more or less is more based on verbal part of it, DM and the verbal part. Reading becomes extremely important. So 1 to 2 hours of quant and 1 hour of verbal exercise. Verbal exercise include maybe critical reasoning, grammar, vocabulary, bit of that. That could help. Even RCs if you want, right? So practice, and that is what will help you in these weeks. I mean, to help you to get used to the questions which are that level. I hope this will help you to understand your plan during the last week of that. Modify it based on your comfort level, your time limit that you have, and accordingly plan preparation. All the best for your exam. Thank you.